hairdryers, no matter what brand they are, can generally last for anything up to 20 years with a few simple things. This cord here, wherever you are around the world, is just a two pieces of electrical wire going through there. The more that this section of the cord here bends and twists around, it actually can break one or two of those actual wire connections. It just keeps moving them backwards and forwards until they break, and then you get the hairdryer potentially not working anymore. Qualified technicians or electricians can pretty well pull it apart, cut the wire where it's got the damage, feed a bit more through so your cable ends up being slightly shorter, and then they connect it in. With speaking to a electrician, he advised me that the other main reason why hairdryers stop working is the switches aren't really designed to take the electrical load every time that you turn a power point on and then you turn the switches on. He was saying he's got several hairdryers that have lasted for 20 years within his family, because you just set the switches to what speed that you want and heat that you want, then you flick the wall switch, because these wall switches are designed to handle the load of electricity. So by simply using this as your on-off switch and already setting these to how you want them before you do your hair, that takes the load. These switches last for anything up to 20 years then. Very rarely will you get actual problems with the motor or anything like that. It will always be a couple of the wires just in here, or the switches burning out. The hairdryers themselves will always keep working as long as those two don't become faults. So alleviate those particular issues, you'll have hairdryers running for years and years and years on end. Never need to replace them. Doesn't matter whether they're cheap ones or expensive ones.